person who follows the commandment of God, most verily, all the messengers of God, they are sons of God. Son of God. If I am a righteous person, I am a son of God. If I am a godly person, I am a son of God according to the Bible.
जो भी अल्लाह की बात मानता है अल्लाह के बेटे, आप खुदा की बात मानते हैं तो बाइबल के हिसाब से आप भी बेटे, मैं अल्लाह की बात मानता हूं मैं भी बेटा हूं. Gospel of John, chapter number 5, verse number 19 में लिखा है, Then answered Jesus and said unto them, Verily, verily, I say unto you, the Son can do nothing of himself, but what he seeth the Father do. For whatsoever things he doth, there also doth the Son likewise. For the Father loveth the Son, and showeth him all things that he himself doeth. And he will show him greater works than these, that ye may marvel. Hath committed all judgment unto the Son. That all men should honor the Son, even as they honor the Father. He that honoreth not the Son, honoreth not the Father who hath sent him. Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that heareth my word, and believeth in him that sent me, hath everlasting life, and shall not come into condemnation, but is passed from death unto life. Verily, verily, I say unto you, the hour is coming, and now is, when the dead shall hear the voice of the Son of God, and they shall live. For as the Father hath life in himself, so hath he given to the Son to have life in himself, and hath given him authority to execute judgment also, because he is the Son of Man. Marvel not at this, for the hour is coming in which all that are in the grave shall hear